welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to jive. Now if you've seen Strictly, you know that this is a full-on energetic dance, so I hope you've had your coffee this morning. Now get ready, push your sofas back and make sure the dog's got a treat, because if she's anything like mine, she likes to get involved. Okay, let's get started.
Welcome back guys, it's time to jive. I was being serious when I said about the dog, because seriously, mine actually gets herself involved. Wow. We're starting off with some basic jive steps. So if I talk it through for you, you'll have, starting on your right foot, back replace, chasse, chasse, back replace, chasse, chasse, and so on. Jive fits in with the other dance forms such as rock and roll and swing, so it's a cool dance to perform. A technique I've always been taught in jive is to think about kicking my bum with my free foot. Next up, this step doesn't really have a name, so I've just called it the knee up step. Make sure you have your balance and keep that core strong when lifting the knee up. The last step we are adding is the underarm turn, and obviously you do this usually with a partner, but it really doesn't matter. Riding solo is absolutely fine. I've added rotation, so make sure you keep your steps small and precise in your movement. Now, onto arms. Guys, I have no idea what I was laughing at. No idea. But arms are demonstrated. Let's put it all together with timing. 1, 2, chasse, chasse, 1, 2, chasse, chasse, 1, 2, chasse, chasse, 1, 2, step up, chasse, 1, 2, step knee, chasse, 1, 2, chasse, turn, chasse, 1, 2, chasse, turn, chasse, 1, 2.